Okay, so putting it back together, you just reverse what you did before. You unfold the top, and you stand it up like that. I don't know if you can see it. And then lift up the back first, so it's on top of the front. And make sure these latches fall into place. And then put this so it's underneath those latches. The top of the crate should be underneath these side latches on the side or the back of the crate, I guess. And go around to the front. You don't want to breathe real heavily when you're doing this because it just signifies that you're out of shape and probably need to do more exercises. You lift it up, secure the latches. And those latches, you're all set. You can just slide the tray right underneath, put the blanket back in, and then put Mr. Ringo in. Ringo, hey.